Hello everybody, how's it going on? We have just learned how the price index are calculated, right? It's time to learn the how dollar figures from the different times. So what it is? Okay, right now we need to compare the past till now. Actually, how much price is increased from the past till now during this period. Okay, so right now we need two players. One is in the past specific year, the salaries of the $8,000. Actually, the year is 1931, and we need to compare the salary with now the salaries, the player salary. Okay, so the player salary of the $80,000 in 1931 is high or low compared to the salary of today's players. Okay, let's see. So in this situation, we need a formula or how to calculate this exercise. So this formula is the amount in today's dollar equals amount in year, actually the past dollars, after divided the price level today and the price level in the past year, and then we need to multiply the dollars, actually amount of dollars in year the past. Okay, let's go. There's one exercise. So the player salary is the $80,000 and the price index of the 15.2 for 1931. Actually, it is the consumer price index. Well, and the price index of 195 for the 2005. Okay, so if we calculate overall price level is going to be raised by effect of the 12.8. Actually, if we divide both of them, so we just which equals to, like, we need to divide it, yeah, as I said, so equals to 12.8. This is the result. Okay, so we use these numbers in order to measure the player's salary in 2005 as follows. Okay, the salary in 2005 dollars equals to salary in 1931 dollars. After divided these 2 years, we need to multiply the dollars with the salary in salary in 1931 dollars, and equals to, okay, that after divided again the 2 years is the price index, we need to multiply the salary itself, and then it's gonna be equivalent to the over the 1 million. This is the formula of how to calculate dollar figures from the different times, actually from the past till now. So just is a price index, such as for example that consumer price index that measures the price level, thus determines the size of the inflation correction. So this is actually this is our class aim, the how to learn the calculation of the dollar figures from the different times. Okay, for the next video, actually next class, we'll calculate another exercise at the same it is. So wait for me, guys. Thank you for your attention.